I had a desire for the sweet, tangy taste of ginger. I bought a whole bunch, several bunches in fact. It was great with shrimp in another video. So now let's try it with beef. Let's cook. So, the hero ingredient is beef. Almost any piece of beef will do, since it's sliced across the grain and marinated so it becomes tender. This is a 4-ounce piece of sirloin, enough for one nice serving. Cut that into thin slices. Now the hero ingredient number 2 is ginger. Fresh ginger root only, a piece about 2 inches long. Peel that and mince. Most of the ginger will go into the pan with the beef, but some of it becomes part of the marinade, so it gets flavor into the meat. Now add a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, please like, comment, and subscribe. A 1/3 cup of vinegar, 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar, mix that well, and place the meat in the marinade. About 5 minutes for sirloin, 20 to 30 minutes for flank or round steak. Once the meat is marinated, dredge it in some flour, getting it well coated. Add some plain cooking oil into the pan and sesame oil for more flavor. Let that heat up and add the beef. Turn the pieces frequently so it gets fried on all sides. Maybe 2 minutes in all. While it's going, slice up a 1/4 of a red or yellow bell pepper. Green pepper will overpower the taste of the ginger. And add that to the pan. Three cloves of garlic, cut up so it fits into the garlic press. And add the garlic to the pan. Give that a minute. Now add the remaining ginger. The marinade becomes the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to the marinade. Mix well to break up any lumps. And add that to the pan. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes till it thickens. A taste test. I'm happy with the saltiness provided by the soy sauce. And let's serve it over plain rice. I love green garnish. Tastes amazing. That was a wonderful taste, sweet and tangy. The ingredients: 4 ounces beef, 2 inches ginger root, 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1/3 cup vinegar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/2 cup flour, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1/4 bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour.